Alright, pack your luggage fast. Good morning everyone, this is the day 2 of our trip. We all got ready. So I'm just transferring my data, footage, everything into my laptop. Once it is done, we'll leave for Wayanad. So it's showing around 2.5-3 hours from Mysore. We did not have breakfast still, we'll have breakfast here. My cousin was suggesting one of the place here, food court it seems. He's saying the food will be amazing. Let's see how the food will be. So once we are done with the breakfast, we'll start immediately from there. So that's update for now. But just look at the weather, man. This is what the weather we wanted. Just look at the weather. I don't know if you can see this properly or not. The weather is so cool. Like this is the perfect weather for driving or riding or touring, whatever. Yep, that's it. Chalo, once it is done, we'll catch you guys on the road. They have given hot water. I don't know what is the reason. I know that only Kerala people they drink hot water. I mean warm water. But in Karnataka also people drink warm water in hotels. We are done with the breakfast and we have started our journey. Breakfast was so okay, not great. Yesterday's breakfast was very good. This today not great. Expectations, I think maybe because of those high expectations.
500 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Dr. Radha Krishna Avenue,
Maybe that is the reason we did not like it so much. You can see the road, right? There are so many tolls here. I don't know why they are charging. The road is also not great. It's just a single road, but there are tolls, and the toll fee is also very high. This is not acceptable, man. Like roads are not great, but you are charging toll for what? What are you maintaining with our toll money? In another few kilometers, we'll be entering Bandipur forest, and I hope we will have most beautiful journey. We have finally entered the Bandipur forest. You can see. I heard a lot about this road. We will also get to witness wild animals. I've seen in other videos like elephants crossing the road, and I have seen few videos wherein there were tigers also, but I'm not sure about tigers. But at least I'm little optimistic about elephants. Let's see how it goes. I hope you all will also enjoy this drive. Plan change. We are going to Kandambara waterfall, and just look at this beauty, man. Just look at this. The road is very narrow, and just look at the mountain standing tall, man. Seriously, man, it's very beautiful. I can't just express in my words. You have to just come and witness. You can already see they are enjoying the photo shoot there. I was not knowing why people say it's God's own country, but now I can understand clearly why people call it as God's own country. Seriously, man, seriously a beautiful place. And I believe there should be trekking also there. People were saying, but you can also trek and you can go to caves. I forgot the name of the caves, but you can do trekking there. Since we don't have time now, we have to go to our hotel. We are not doing the trek, but there is a waterfall. I think the name of the, if I'm not mistaken, the name is Kandambara waterfall. So we are going there. Sorry for the external background noise because I have opened the windows. I just want to breathe this fresh and pure air. I thought Goa ghat roads are very steep, but these are like father of those ghat roads. Completely steep around now. 60-degree angle, you can say. I hope no truck comes in our opposite way because the roads are very narrow and you don't have space to get off the road. Just a minute ago I stopped recording and I've started recording again. Seriously, Kerala is a must visit place for everyone, not just this video. I know that I am very bad at editing and I cannot make a cinematic video. Even though I make a cinematic video, that will not be sufficient for you. You have to just come and visit this beauty. Okay, this is very small waterfall, man. That's it. Like, it's not even 6 feet tall. Yep, that is the waterfall, Kandampara waterfall, and yes, this is the location. Usually we are allowed till there. Since we don't have time, or maybe the time is up, they are not allowing. They allow till here, this gate. So anyways, like, that's the waterfall. What else we have to do? There are good arrangements to sit here, nice. Chinna waterfall, 6 feet unante. Yeah, there is a place to sit here as well. This is good. You can just sit here and relax. కనబడుతుంది ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎంత డార్క్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. బాగుంది కదా వ్యూ. యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ వ్యూ ఈస్ బెటర్ దాన్ ద వాటర్ఫాల్. So I told you, right, there are arrangements to sit. Just look at this view. Yep. That's it with this Kandambara waterfall. If you are planning to come here, then come for the view and the route. The road to this waterfall is beautiful. Okay, we are having chai here. Let me give you a couple of very, very important tips. I think you will highly appreciate me. The first tip is, you can carry liquor to Karnataka. There is no checking in Karnataka border. Why I am telling this is because liquor is very, very costly in Karnataka, almost double the price when compared to Hyderabad. But when you are traveling from Karnataka to Kerala, there is a check. If the bottle is half empty, then they will not say anything. You can just carry that bottle. But if the bottle is sealed and it is not open, then they will definitely seize the bottle and they will also fine you. So that is a very, very important tip that I want to give. So you can appreciate me for that, no problem. I'll take all the appreciations. Luckily we were not carrying any alcohol. We are good boys, so there was no problem for us. But people who are interested and who want to spend less amount of money can definitely buy in Hyderabad, can come to Karnataka. And if they want to carry liquor to Kerala as well, then please drink that and get the bottle, so that the bottle will not be sealed and they will not fine you, or they will not take the bottle. That doesn't mean that you have to drink and drive. So I hope you understand. Chalo, that's it for this video. Let me enjoy my chai. We'll find some hotel here and stay. That's it for today. We have enjoyed the drive a lot. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.